I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy custard at home. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have 4 large egg yolks and 2 cups of whole milk ready. Next, gently heat the milk with 1/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan over medium-low heat until it just begins to simmer. While the milk heats, whisk the egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of sugar in a separate bowl until they become pale and slightly thickened. Now it's time to temper the eggs. Slowly pour about 1/2 cup of the hot milk into your egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to prevent the eggs from scrambling. This step gradually raises the temperature of the eggs. Once combined, pour the tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining hot milk. Continue to cook over low heat, stirring continuously with a spoon or whisk until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. To achieve that perfect, silky smooth texture, immediately strain the warm custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This removes any small bits of cooked egg. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. Cover the surface of the custard directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours until it is completely cold and set. Your yummy homemade custard is now ready to enjoy. Serve it plain for a classic treat, or elevate it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a dollop of whipped cream. Any leftover custard can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its delightful flavor and texture. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.